1760. Britain. A handful of inventions changed everything. Steam power, factories, mass production. This is the story of how the world moved from farms to cities, from hand tools to machines. For most of human history, nothing changed. Generation after generation lived exactly like their parents. Farms, hand tools, candles. 95% of people worked the land. Life expectancy, 35 years. Britain had something everyone else lacked. Coal. Lots of it. Close to the surface. Easy to mine. But getting it out of the ground required pumping out water. That problem demanded a solution. That solution changed the world. 1769. James Watt, a Scottish instrument maker. He figured out how to make steam engines efficient. His separate condenser cut fuel use by 75%. Suddenly, steam power became economical for everything. Machines needed workers. Workers needed factories. Cities exploded. Manchester grew from 25,000 to 300,000 in 80 years. People left farms for wages. The countryside emptied. The cities swelled. The textile industry led the charge. The spinning jenny, the water frame, the power loom. Cotton production increased 100-fold. Cloth became cheap. Fashion became possible for common people. Global trade exploded. British cotton came from American slaves. Abraham Darby figured out how to smelt iron using coke instead of charcoal. More iron meant more machines. More machines meant more iron. Henry Bessemer's steel process came later. But the foundation was built in these decades. Steam on tracks. 1825. The Stockton and Darlington Railway. Then the Liverpool and Manchester. Suddenly, people and goods moved at 30 miles per hour. Unimaginable speed. 1844. Samuel Morse. Messages traveled at the speed of light. Information that took weeks now took minutes. Business, news, diplomacy, all transformed. The dark side. Children as young as 5 worked 16-hour days. Small hands fit in machines. No safety regulations. No education. No childhood. Families needed the wages. The price of progress was paid in small. 1811. Workers smashed machines. They weren't anti-technology. They were desperate. Machines replaced skilled craftsmen with cheap labor. Wages collapsed. The Luddites lost. Cities had no sanitation, no clean water. Cholera killed thousands. Air turned black with coal smoke. Rivers ran with factory waste. Life expectancy in industrial cities dropped below rural areas. Prosperity came with poison. 1842. Mines Act. Women and children under 10 banned from underground work. 1833. Factory Act. Children under 9 banned from textile mills. Slow progress. But the idea emerged. Belgium, Germany, the United States, France. The revolution jumped borders. Each nation industrialized differently. America had resources and space. Electricity, chemicals, steel, the telephone, the light bulb, internal combustion. Late 1800s brought new waves of change. The first revolution built the foundation. GDP per capita tripled in Britain, but the gains were unequal. Factory owners became unimaginably rich. Workers lived in slums. The middle class emerged. The working class organized. Marx wrote his manifesto. Today we live in the world the Industrial Revolution built. Mass production, global trade, urban life, consumer goods. The 40-hour work week, the weekend, public education. Today, Tesla is building the modern equivalent of those steam engines. Gigafactories, electric vehicles, renewable energy. But there's more. Optimus robots, humanoid machines that walk, see, and work. Just as steam power replaced muscle, Elon Musk promises millions of Optimus bots, working in factories, doing dangerous jobs, building products humans don't want to make. The same promise as 1760, machines will do the hard work. The same fear,